Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Selenium testing versus Visual Studio Code. We will explore their distinct roles in the software development and testing lifecycle. Selenium primarily focuses on automating web browsers for functional testing, while Visual Studio Code serves as a robust environment for writing, debugging, and managing your test code. Understanding their individual strengths will help you choose the best approach for your projects. Selenium is an open-source framework specifically designed for automating web browsers. It supports a wide array of browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, ensuring broad test coverage. Developers can write test scripts in popular languages such as Java, Python, C#, and JavaScript. This flexibility makes Selenium a go-to choice for comprehensive web application testing across diverse platforms and environments. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a lightweight yet powerful source code editor. It provides an exceptional environment for writing, editing, and debugging your test automation scripts, regardless of the language. With thousands of extensions available, you can customize it for virtually any programming task, enhancing productivity. Its integrated terminal and Git support streamline the entire development workflow for testers. Ultimately, Selenium and Visual Studio Code are not direct competitors. Rather, they are highly complementary tools. Selenium provides the necessary framework to interact with web browsers and automate test execution. VS Code, on the other hand, offers the ideal environment for crafting, organizing, and maintaining your Selenium test scripts. Using them together leverages the strengths of both, creating a powerful and efficient test automation setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.